Welcome to the U.S. Naval Academy Ship Command Tutorial. Today you will be learning how to give orders to your ships, thus freeing yourself from the need to control your vessel directly. First off, let's introduce the target window. Now, the target window appears in the top left of the screen whenever you look at a unit with the crosshair. Have a go at this now. Outstanding. The target window displays the unit's name, how far away it is, its general damage condition, and what class of ship it is. U.S. units are blue. Japanese units are red. You can set an enemy unit as an active target. Do this by pressing the target button. Try targeting the cargo ship now. An active target is indicated by the brackets changing color. White brackets indicate an active target, while black and gold brackets show the active target is also a mission objective. If an active target is in range, then your unit will automatically start firing at it with any weapon systems that are not under your direct control. You can clear a target at any time by pressing the cancel button. Do this now. Well done. Notice that your ship has stopped firing. Okay. Let's make things a bit more complicated. You can also use the target button to cycle targets between all detected enemy units. Every time you press the target button, you will select the next nearest target. Try doing this now. Outstanding. You have now targeted the most distant cargo ship. However, it is out of range. One solution to this problem is to drive the ship closer to the target yourself. However, you can also use the attack command to get the ship's captain to do this for you. As you can see, the ship's captain has maneuvered to attack the target. The order status is displayed above the unit window at the bottom left of the screen. All right then, let's move on to the next topic. As well as giving a ship specific orders, you can also give it standing orders about how you want it to behave. A standing order permanently affects how a ship will behave. Torpedo avoidance affects whether or not the ship will automatically try to evade an incoming torpedo. The torpedo setting affects whether or not a ship will automatically fire torpedoes at target enemies. The default is off. Free move affects whether a ship is free to initiate its own attacks against targets, while free fire affects whether it can set its own targets. Give her a try. Set free fire to on. Well, as you can see, the ship captain has selected a target for his ship and has commenced firing. Now set free move to on. As you can see, the ship captain has ordered the ship to begin an attack maneuver. Note that you can override the captain's attack order at any time by taking control of the ship's helm. Go on, give her a try. Well, that's well done, sailor, well done. Now, as you can see, the order status has changed to cruise, indicating that you are in command of the ship. You have now completed the ship command tutorial. Congratulations.